Please try this amazing sesame seeds laddu during winter. Add 2 cups sesame seeds in preheated pan. Roast for 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Once the color becomes brown like this, it's ready. Take this out. Add 2 tbs ghee on medium flame. Add 2 cups jaggery. Add 2 tbsp water. Stir it continuously for 6 to 7 minutes. Place few drop in water to test its consistency. If it doesn't spread and breaks, then this is ready. Switch of the flame and mix roasted sesame seeds. Mix it properly and let it cool down a bit. When it's slightly warm, wet palm with cold water, then take a small portion. Make it quickly, otherwise, when the mixture becomes cold, it hardens. Enjoy with 1 to 2 daily during winter.
Wow, it looks yummy.
Why don't you try some of the healthy laddu recipes on the below link? Please feel free to comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.